Hi, I'm Gordon Leith with the Alamo SAP. I'm a substance abuse professional, and you've probably come to this website to find out what you need to do to get a substance abuse professional back to work evaluation. Here's how it works. It's a three-step process. The first step is getting an evaluation. It takes between an hour and a half to 2 hours. Out of that initial evaluation comes a recommendation, and that recommendation is to get education and or treatment. The substance abuse professional will give you assistance and information in helping you find some place where you can get these things taken care of. For example, if a person needs to go to an education class, those types of classes, how much they cost, the schedules, um, is information that the substance abuse professional has access to and can help you and provide some guidance. The second part of the uh, back to work evaluation is going out and getting that taken care of. It could range in time. It won't happen overnight, but there are some ways to streamline it with a little bit of luck in the resources you have in your area and your flexibility to get to those resources that provide the service that you need that comes out of the recommendation. But if you're diligent about it, you can get it done and you can go through the second part with little or no pain and then go to the third part and then which is a follow-up evaluation. The follow-up evaluation typically lasts not as long as the initial evaluation, and it's a follow-up evaluation to ensure that the recommendations have been fulfilled, that it served its purpose, and that the person has complied with the recommendations and or follow-up as well. And so the third part being fulfilled, letters are sent to the employer or the designated employee representative at the company that sent you. And so that is basically how it works. The substance abuse professional is someone as a professional who guides you and evaluates you and provides recommendations, and then you come back and get a follow up recommendation. To fulfill the requirements of the Department of Transportation, the SAP will send a letter of compliance that the person came in, took care of what they needed to do, got their initial evaluation, appropriately and successfully completed those recommendations, and then also came back for the follow up evaluation. And so there you have it. That's the three-part process of how a substance abuse professional back to work evaluation is accomplished. You can call me directly at 210 710 8768 if you have any further questions. However, I hope that this is enough information to get you on the road to setting up an appointment by calling 210 590 9292. And so by the time you come to the evaluation, you want to bring your driver's license, your social security number. You don't have to have the card. I need the number though. And also the address, that is mailing address, not just the physical address, but it's got to, if it's the physical address, it needs to be the mailing address. So I want the mailing address and the phone number of the designated employee representative or the person who's going to be receiving the correspondence that you came and that you did the follow up. So, because the designated employee representative that you're going to be giving the information about your back to work evaluation is called your designated employee representative. So, I'll need that information and no need to panic. You can get the information, that information, even while you're already started up in the process. So you can call me at 210 710 8768. Go ahead and call 210 590 9292 if you need basic information that you probably got all ready to get you moving.